Hey there, let's explore the Ugecl solar spotlights, featuring 74 bright LEDs and 3 color modes for perfect outdoor lighting. These lights automatically turn on at night and charge during the day with their built-in sensor, providing cool, warm, or natural white illumination. Powered by a 1500 mAh battery and efficient solar panel, they last between 6 to 14 hours on a single charge, lighting up large areas brilliantly. The 2-in-1 design allows easy installation as either landscape spotlights with ground stakes or sleek wall-mounted lights using included screws. Made from durable ABS material with an IP65 waterproof rating, they withstand rain, snow, wind, and extreme temperatures all year round. Their anti-fog design maintains consistent brightness and extends the lifespan, making them ideal for gardens, pathways, and patios. Plus, they come with friendly 24-hour customer service ready to assist you anytime. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.